Hi everyone, so welcome to our Airbnb which is in Laguna, Bangtao, and we'll give you a small tour. So this is the kitchen area, very tiny small kitchen, and okay, so this is the refrigerator, microwave, coffee machine, toaster, and all the necessary things almost. And quick tour.
This is first washroom.
This is the small one, right?
Right.
Yeah. This is access both sides.
Yeah, both sides.
सही है ये तो फिर.
So this is washroom at the entry.
This is our TV area.
Living
room,
area.
you can say. Living room with the view. I should. See?
Yeah.
You wanna go out?
Yep. So you can see the beach from here.
I can see too. This is beautiful.
It's beautiful, right?
Oh.
So let's move in.
Let me just close it. I'll not do with my heels now. Okay. Come. This is the bedroom.
This is a bedroom.
This is also with the balcony. I think no, it's just a window. See?
In the same view.
I'm very tired actually. We just checked it.
And closet and